The judges selected this project due to its ability to reflect the character of the neighborhood while maintaining the functionality of a parking deck. It provided a unique building that just happened to store vehicles.
It's a parking structure that doesn't look like a parking structure.
The adaptability of precast was on display as this late modification was easily accommodated. It minimized site disturbance and accelerated the schedule, creating an efficient delivery system. The parking deck's charcoal gray acid-washed finish with a trim band and cornice work essentially matches the finish of the adjacent gallery.
This is a really tight site where the gallery purchased the land to put a ramp with parking on, and in doing so, they literally had 6 inches between an existing building and where this ramp went up. So trying to do that with any material other than precast would have been difficult. Precast solved that problem, but in addition to solving those problems, the structure that resulted looks good, blends in with the neighborhood, and manages to look more like a series of houses and homes as opposed to a parking garage.